Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, the ultimate destination for all the things delicious and diverse in the world of food. Today, we're embarking on a delectable journey around the world as we explore the ultimate global cake journey. Top 10 irresistible cakes from around the world. Get ready to satisfy your sweet tooth and expand your culinary horizons. Number 1. Tres Leches Cake, Mexico. Our first stop on this global cake journey takes us to Mexico, a country known for its rich culinary heritage and vibrant flavors. Here, we're diving into the delightful Tres Leches cake. This cake is a masterpiece of simplicity and indulgence, featuring a delicate sponge cake that's soaked up in heavenly blend of 3 types of milk: evaporated milk, condensed milk, and heavy cream. The result is a divine, moist texture that practically melts in your mouth. Oh, the pleasure in every bite. The cake is incredibly light, thanks to the sponge's ability to soak up the milky goodness, the sweetness of the condensed milk, and the luxurious creaminess of the heavy cream create a harmonious balance. It's like a dessert oasis in every mouthful. Number 2. Black Forest Cake, Germany. Our next destination transports us to Germany, a country celebrated for its precision, craftsmanship, and hearty cuisine. Here, we discover the iconic Black Forest cake, a true masterpiece that reflects the country's culinary excellence. This cake boasts layers of chocolate sponge cake, ethereal whipped cream, and tart cherries, all luxuriously garnished with delicate chocolate shavings. It's the perfect combination of flavors and textures that will leave you saying, "Danke." The Black Forest cake is a symphony of contrasts. The rich, moist chocolate sponge against the light, airy whipped cream, and the sweet cherries adding a delightful tartness. Every bite is like a forest of flavors, echoing the dense Black Forest region in Germany. It's a dessert as impressive as the German engineering. Number 3. Pavlova, New Zealand. From Germany, we jet up to New Zealand, a country renowned for its breathtaking natural landscapes and warm hospitality. Here, we encounter the elegant and delicate Pavlova, a dessert that's named after the legendary Russian ballet dancer Anna Pavlova. This moraine-based delicacy is crisp on the outside, soft on the inside, and lavishly crowned with a colorful medley of fresh fruits and billowy whipped cream. A slice of heaven that mirrors New Zealand's pristine beauty. Pavlova is a true masterpiece of culinary fineness. The contrast between the crispy, delicate marine and the velvety, cloud-like cream is simply divine. The fresh fruit on top adds a burst of freshness, much like the crisp New Zealand air. It's not just a dessert, it's a work of art. Number 4. Baklava, Middle East. Our cake journey now takes us to the Middle East, a region known for its ancient traditions and rich flavors. Here we explore baklava, a dessert that's not a traditional cake but is undoubtedly a work of art. It's constructed from layers of translucent, paper-thin filo pastry, generously filled with chopped nuts and generously drenched in sweet syrup. The layers create a delightful, audible crunch, making baklava a textural and flavorful masterpiece. Baklava is a sweet mosaic of flavors and textures. The layers of a filo pastry are astonishingly thin, yet they provide the perfect crunch to contrast with the nutty and syrupy richness within. It's a beautiful symphony of sweet and crunchy, a Middle Eastern delight that stood the test of time. Number 5. Opera Cake, France. Now, we find ourselves in France, the culinary capital of the world, known for its sophistication and culinary artistry. Here, we savor the opera cake, a dessert that's all about layers, elegance, and complexity. It features almond sponge cake, coffee-infused buttercream, and a glossy chocolate ganache. It's a harmonious symphony of flavors and textures that mirrors the sophistication and artistry of a night at the opera. The opera cake is a true masterpiece of patisserie. The coffee-infused buttercream has a sophisticated bitterness that balances perfectly with the sweetness of the ganache. The almond sponge adds a delicate, nutty touch. It's like enjoying a performance on your palate, with each layer contributing a note to a delicious composition. Number 6. Lamington, Australia. Australia, a land of stunning natural wonders, is our next destination. Here, we find the Lamington, a square-shaped sponge cake that's coated in generous layer of chocolate icing and desiccated coconut. It's an Aussie classic, perfect for pairing with a cup of tea and ideal for a relaxing afternoon. Lamingtons are the epitome of comfort food. The soft sponge, the rich chocolate coating, and the coconut provide a delightful texture contrast. It's like a warm, cozy hug on a plate, perfect for unwinding and savoring the simple pleasures of life. Number 7. Tiramisu, Italy. No global cake journey would be complete without a visit to Italy, a country celebrated for its rich culinary heritage and passionate flavors. Here we indulge in tiramisu, a dessert that's as comforting as it's invigorating. It's made with layers of mascarpone cheese, delicate lady fingers soaked in coffee, and a dusting of cocoa. Tiramisu is a classic Italian pick-me-up that's sure to lift your spirits. Tiramisu is an Italian classic that's both comforting and invigorating. The mascarpone cheese is creamy and luxurious, and the coffee-soaked lady fingers give it a delightful caffeine kick. It's a culinary caffeine boost, much like the espresso that fuel Italy's passionate spirit. Number 8. Red Velvet Cake, USA. Heading back to the United States, we're going to indulge in the iconic red velvet cake, a dessert that's as vibrant as the country it hails from. This cake gets its name from its deep, velvety red color and has a slightly tangy taste, thanks to the buttermilk and vinegar in its recipe. It's typically paired with a cream cheese frosting that's simply heavenly. Red velvet cake is a symphony of flavor and color. The buttermilk and vinegar combination gives it a unique, slightly tangy note, while the cream cheese frosting is a luscious, creamy complement. It's a true American classic, a dessert that embodies the melting pot of flavors found in the USA. Number 9. Sachertorte, Austria. Country celebrated for its art and music, offers us the Sachertorte, a rich and decadent cake that's a true masterpiece. It's comprised of layers of sumptuous chocolate cake, a delicate apricot jam filling, and a glossy chocolate glaze. Invented in the Vienna, the Sachertorte has been a favorite for over a century, a piece of the Austrian heritage that's as classic as the works of the Mozart. Sachertorte is the epitome of the Austrian indulgence. The chocolate cake is incredibly rich and velvety, and the apricot jam adds a beautiful fruitiness that perfectly balances the sweetness. It's a royal treat that deserves a place on every cake lover's bucket list. Number 10. Chocotorta, Argentina. Our final destination takes us to the Argentina, a country known for its passionate culture and love for the culinary delights. Here, we discover the Chocotorta, a cake that's a favorite among Argentines. It's made from layers of chocolate cookies soaked in coffee or milk, alternating with a creamy filling made from chocolate and cream cheese. It's an easy, no-back dessert that's always a crowd pleaser. Chocotorta is pure indulgence in every bite. The chocolate cookies soften perfectly in the coffee, and the cream filling is an explosion of the chocolatey goodness. It's simple yet utterly satisfying, a true Argentine delight that captures the passion and warmth of the country. And there you have it, folks, our top 10 irresistible cakes from around the world. Each of these cakes represents not just a dessert but a slice of the culture, history, and culinary artistry of its home country. We hope you have enjoyed this global cake journey as much as we did. Which one would you love to try first? Let us know in the comments below. And as always, stay tuned for more delicious adventures on Top 10 International Desserts.